Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So today we're making special ingredient. It's very special roti and it's very nice roti with spices on it. So this is the ingredient. Now we're adding this is carrots, two adding carrots, spinach and onions and tomato and 1 tablespoon chili flakes and even also spices. And even bisang flour. Is gram bala besan flour. And say all the words on it. Making gram besan roti. And that's all ingredients. So now we putting besan roti. 1 cup. 1 bowl. So now this is flour. 1 cup. And now we're putting in big bowl. Seafood bowl. And now we put 1 tablespoon chili flakes. And 1 tablespoon salt. And 1 tablespoon kusi methi. 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon garam masala. And this is all ingredients putting in the side. And we're mixing by hand. Hand is easy. No, we're mixing by spoon. And half tablespoon chili powder and water. One bowl of water. And then we're mixing by spoon. And then we're mixing. Look, he turned brown. This was the deputy people very best. And healthy, very delicious. And then we put in more water. And then we're mixing. You want healthy roti, follow me my recipe. And then we look, it's turning brown and soft. It's chili colored. And now chili tomato make brown. So now this is pan. We put inside oil. 2 tablespoons. We spread. So now we put inside. So look, we put inside 1 big spoon. We put inside, and a little bit more, and then after we spreading by moving the pan. It's bigger, yeah. 1 big tablespoon, and you spread it, it turns big. And now we spreading. Look, it's so look delicious, yummy. I love this recipe. We're spreading. It's still not cooked. And oil's at the bottom. And now we're gonna flip. Now we're scraping here. You have to scrape here. If you stick here, then look, it's no stick. So you're now flipping, and it looks like pancake, like flip pancake like this. And now we're using spatula for pressing gently. And now we're flipping. we flipping by pen. Now by spatula. Now we're gonna flip. First we flipping now. We put spatula and then we flip. Yeah, one side is done. Other side is still not done. And now it's done. It's still not done, a little bit more left. So look, it's beautiful, yummy, delicious, very delicious, very tasty. It's very own recipe. Ooh la la, it's very delicious. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, it's very yummy, very delicious, very yummy. Ooh la la, is so good and tasty. And I'll be putting a little bit of oil at the top. Beautiful, ooh la la, it's so yummy and crispy. You put a little bit more oil after you use tissue to take a little bit of oil, because oil is not good for your health. If you use too much oil, you get fat. And now we put in plate. It's a little bit broken, but it looks so delicious. It's yummy, it's so delicious. And now we putting second one oil. We spreading. And we put 1 big tablespoon, a little one too. And we spreading. Looks very big, very delicious. So now other one's done. Look, 2 already make. 3. We made 3 already. And now this is 4. We're cooking too much for my families and my friends. And I know it's locked on, yeah, just gonna send in near those. So now I get testing by chutney. We take a little bit, dip inside some chutney. We a little bit fold, put in chutney, and eat it. So delicious. Ooh la la, so yummy, so delicious, so tasty, so yummy. And you must try this, a healthy roti, my own recipe. So delicious, so crispy and so soft. And I hope you like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. Enjoy this video. And you hope you eat this lovely roti for lovely chapati for your parents or for your granddad if you have diabetes. People who have diabetes, also give it to poor people that like them. Okay, bye guys, bye.